Today, I'll show you how to deposit money into Wealthsimple. First, open the Wealthsimple app. Make sure you're in the account where you want to deposit the money. Scroll down until you see the plus sign that says Add, tap on it. On the next screen, tap From to choose how you want to deposit money. If your bank account is already linked, it will show up here. If not, tap the small Add button to enter your bank details and link your account. My bank is already linked here, so I'll select it. If you want the deposit to happen later, tap Today and choose a future date. If you want to make this a recurring deposit, tap Doesn't Repeat to see more options. You can set the deposit to repeat weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Choose the option that works best for you. Tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Now enter the amount you want to deposit. In my case, Wealthsimple allows a portion of my deposit to be available instantly. That means I can invest the money right away, even though it may take a few days to be withdrawn from my bank. After entering the amount, tap Next. On this screen, review all the deposit details to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Submit. If everything looks good, the money will be deposited into your Wealthsimple account and ready to invest. Thanks for watching.